Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download your LinkedIn data archive for backup, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. On the next page, scroll down to the How LinkedIn Uses Your Data section. Click on the Get a Copy of Your Data option. A new page will appear with different data download options. Choose the works to download all your data, or select specific categories if you prefer. After making your selection, click on the Request Archive button. LinkedIn will then prompt you to re-enter your password for security purposes. Enter your password and click Done to confirm your request. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. LinkedIn will prepare your data archive, which may take some time. Once your data is ready, you will receive an email notification. Follow the instructions in the email to download your data. Click on the link provided in the email to access your data archive. You may need to log back into your LinkedIn account for verification. Once logged in, follow the prompts to start your download. The data will be available in a compressed format, usually a zip file. Save the file to a secure location on your device. Extract the contents of the zip file to access your LinkedIn data. You are now ready to review and back up your LinkedIn information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.